I be vibes in this, be vibes in this, vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes in this.
Mastica wrong. You see me? Wrong bang. You wait till the artist will work, exit the stage, MC take the stage, in the process there, your rhythm line up, your engineer up them, I work on the thing, boom bang 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 bang. The MC give one of them high energy intro there, or whosoever host the show, I go forward on the stage. He go make some talk, he go do something. In the process there, then the next artist will go take the stage, him material a process in terms of thumb drive rise up, he plug in on the computer, file open, select which track or wherever, which folder, wherever the artist are going to perform, or which set a rhythm track the artist are going to perform. You see me I say? It's a process and a procedure. Nothing happen in a rush, nothing happen in a brute force. I mean, they make a sound and have to just pop up on the stage. The people them not go nowhere. Thousands of people are out the road and can't go in. Me did dead. Me see with my eye. That's why me attack or me attack. See? Yeah, I was there. So, the amount of people did there, my lad, is not like say when time the governor leave the stage, everybody are gonna leave and gone at them yard. I must take your name in my lad. Watch them energy there. You see me and say, they don't know my story, they don't know my song. You know much people are wait on it, but yet still you can't make that override your dignity, my lad, and you lose yourself. You're humble.
You have to make it when you're humble for sure.
Remember artist to a artist. You see me and say, yeah man, a blessings in our doings, my lad. But guess what now, Mastica? Check the facts. Procedure. You are an experienced artist. You know what I mean? You do the music over a period of time. It's not the first you go on stage show. You're supposed to know the procedures. So if you did up on the stage and you finish perform and you are exit the stage, then and you see a next set of man or a next group of people and artists come up on the stage, what you da do? You da try to force down in that group of people or wait until them people disperse from the stairway and free up the way so you can move through freely. The man them can't abuse them power, cause if the man them are the music and the fans them must say, alright, yeah, Mastica and I get the power and I get the strength. Don't feel like say you gotta use that. See me I say, cause remember say people forward out to see two on you know. People forward out to see yo, Mastica, and people forward out to see the governor. Me not say we're in the governor they do nothing wrong. You see me I say are false. People they have certain ethic will come with the business. The artist work, he might exit the stage, he's supposed to exit the stage comfortably. Remember say music we not do, my lad. Zin, music the man them a do. I mean attack the party on behalf of both party, Mastica and the governor. Zin, music we not do, so now have a certain level of discipline. Remember the youth them a look up to the ones them and listen to in my lad. Remember say the event one of the dead to in my lad is a young people event. So me and say most of the people them were there are 18-year-old, 16, 17, 15, 14, 13-year-old. You see me and say, so the man them a fair set a certain example out there. So even if one of the youth them or one of the girl them want to take an artist lifestyle and become an artist in the business, this is not the way how them supposed to project themselves out there in a society, or even if them go anywhere. A level of discipline carry the thing go far. You see me and say, discipline market the thing. You see me and say, so the man them a fair exploit the level of discipline there.
Be vibes in this, be vibes in this, vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes in this.